You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Yes, let's break down how to pronounce once and for all the name of this recipe, German and Austrian. The German pronunciation, Sachertorte. Okay, yes, I know in English it's not generally pronounced this way. It's often pronounced as Sachertorte, or some say it as Sachertorte as well, because those Sachertorte German sounds don't really exist in English. So Sachertorte or Sachertorte in English from German, Sachertorte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.